At this point, just make sure that the glue and water is fully mixed up. So from the last DIY, we added a little bit too much cornstarch, so some is still here. So liquid starch or whatever. So yeah, so we're gonna tell you once we have everything mixed. So the slime is already combined with the liquid cornstarch, so time to add color. So Ashley, if you could do that. So she's adding paint, and it's pink, but she's keeping it. So yeah, perfect. When it comes up to paint, you might just want to add a little bit. Since she's adding banana yellow, just a little bit. Yeah. So I'm gonna have her show me now, so you can see how I mix it. So I'm just mixing these two to like be fully stretched. So you want to make sure if you're creating slime, a lot of people just say that you want it stretchy. So in order to have it stretch, you want it to be like the right amount. And you see she's adding, is this orange? Yeah. Too much. I'm not using my camera, I'm using my phone because I just got out of school, so. Oops! So once you have all that mixed, you might want to just pick it up and start doing this. It's gonna be sticky, yeah.
We're gonna add some soft glue.
Soft glue.
Did you get it?
No. Okay, yeah. Oops. This is just gonna make it non-sticky. So, yeah. Ashley! I don't like this girl at all. So, yeah. I'm not a slime expert. It's Ashley who's a slime expert. I'm a slime expert, so yeah, this is my first time actually making slime. Like
I showed her how to make this.
I've never ever made slime before. This would be so hard for me.
Okay, right now, should I put it right here where I can see both of us?
Ash. They look similar color except mine is lighter.
Yeah, I'll get a little.
And that's how we made our slime. Ashley, you're not looking at the camera.
Not trying.
How we make slime. It doesn't matter like you're. Just make sure like you're using acrylic paint or like any paint that doesn't like really like stain your hand, because if it stains it, then your mom's gonna get mad. So yeah. Also, if you like, don't have liquid starch or anything, you could find many. You could add Tide. It doesn't really matter as long as you don't use borax.
It makes it hard.
Yeah, borax actually makes it harder, and with borax, like you can't really like stretch it out that much. Well, I mean you can, but like it just burns your hand, and if you leave it out, then it's just gonna cool. It's gonna get hard and all of that. So yeah. This girl. Oh.
Yeah.
Some shaving things. So after mixing the slime and stuff, you start to see like this stretching momentum on here, and it's really cool. So stretch it. I love this coral color. Like these guys might not even see it, but it's coral. This is what I most like about it. These guys might be like, oh, you're so annoying with that. That sounds annoying. But like once you actually like make it and do the noise, it's so soothing, guys.
It's soft. It's very, very soft. We should have made it lively.
I don't have Lively on my phone.
You deleted it?
Yeah. Oh, and if you haven't, add me on Musical.ly. It's I.Myra. I think it is. I don't know.
This one I found. I cleaned out the stuff.
Oh, and we have messed up slime from earlier, so we're gonna work on that. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video.